Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty box reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and giveaways. Speaking of giveaways, it's a crazy month. I have 3 different giveaways going on right now. For the month of July, I always do a palette giveaway every month. And so for the month of July, it is the Tetris Ipsy palette. I will put a link in the description box down below for all the different giveaways. I also have a giveaway going on right now in honor of my 100th video, as well as one for our 200th subscriber giveaway. So like all my giveaways, you have to be a subscriber to be entered into the giveaway. And the information is all in the description box down below. If you are new to Look Fantastic, it's $19 a month. They usually, it's about 6 beauty products in there. It's a UK box, and so in it, it always has the Elle magazine in here from the UK. And I was super excited for last month. There was a product in there that I loved, so I can't wait to dive into this one. Here's what the magazine looks like. Super cute. Lots of fun ideas. I love the pigtails going on here. Always a little pamphlet that talks about it. Also talks about the products that are in here, as well as other articles as well. Never heard of Okada before. It's an online supermarket, and there is a coupon in here for 30% off for you, and then another one for you to give 30% off for a friend. All the products come neatly wrapped in tissue paper. Have they always had little sayings in the lid? This one says, "The mind is like water. When it is calm, everything becomes clear." Love that. I love how sturdy these boxes are too. Here's what kind of all the products look like inside. So the first product that's right on top is the GLOV makeup remover that your skin deserves. It's for all skin types. Innovative fiber technologies, reusable for 1 to 3 months. Complex skin care tools, 5 in 1. Just add water. Yeah, it's just like one of those makeup erasers. So this is worth, MSRP is $14.89 for this. And it's effortlessly cleanse skin without a cleanser with the GLOV on the go cleansing glove. Utilizing microtechnologies, this cleansing glove contains star-shaped fibers, times thinner than a cotton pad, boasting antibacterial, electroelastic properties that absorb the makeup and dirt like a magnet. Cleansing glove and gently rub over skin to remove makeup and cleanse skin. I'll have to give this one a go. Well, I'm all about this. Here is the Gold Eye Brightening and Firming, made with real gold extract and hyaluronic acid. I do a masking series where I try on different masks, and I'm in the middle right now of filming an eye mask one. In fact, I used another gold one today for under the eyes. This does retail for $7.50. And it's designed to plump and depuff tired under eyes. These eye pads instantly hydrate and cool skin, made with real gold extract to brighten and hyaluronic acid to plump and firm. These pads leave delicate skin around your eyes smooth and radiant. Apply to dry and clean under eyes, leave on 10 to 15 minutes, and discard after use. Gently pat remaining serum into the skin. So look for this one definitely in an upcoming masking video. Here is the Aromatherapy Associates Revive Body Gel. This is $15.02. It is cruelty-free company. It refreshes the body and mind with invigorating gel treatment infused with grapefruit, rosemary, and juniper essential oils. Stimulates, circulates, and reduces fluid retention, leaving skin soft and supple. Perfect for the summer months, this quick drying gel cools the skin upon application. Apply a generous amount onto skin, massage until completely absorbed. I need all the hydration I can get right now. Spent a little too much time up by the lake out in the sun this weekend, and my forehead's starting to peel a little bit. don't look too closely. So I am anxious to try any cooling effect that I can get right now. Ooh, by Elemis is their Hydra Balance Day Cream. It retails for $23.90. It is also a cruelty-free brand. It's a Hydra Balance Day Cream that formulated to provide continuous hydration. This day cream keeps the complexion soft and supple, designed for normal to combination skin. This moisturizer contains meadowsweet extract to regulate oil production and hyaluronic acid to lock in moisture. Apply to clean, dry skin every morning. Anything with hydration, I'm all about right now. By Eyeko, I love their liner. This is the Fat Eye Stick in the shade Jilt. This retails for $15.02. Create intense color and glossy finish with the Eyeko Fat Eye Stick. Accentuate the eyes with this chubby crayon that delivers long-wearing and highly pigmented color with an easy-to-use twist of design. These jumbo pencils glide on the eyes without tugging or dragging. Apply either as an eyeliner or blend across the lid for a diffuse look. With as big as this is, I think it might be kind of tough to apply as an eyeliner. I'm not going to swatch this because I'm already setting stuff aside for that 300th subscriber giveaway. So be on the lookout for this one in there. Ooh, lastly by Naobay is their Illuminating Masala water. Yes, please. Naobay is also cruelty-free. This does retail for $13.76, and it's pretty good size. It's purify, prepare, and cleanse the skin with this natural Masala water, enriched with green tea to protect against environmental pollutions, with aloe vera to rehydrate and soothe. This Masala water is subtle for all skin types. Apply to cotton pad and used to remove impurities and makeup. I've heard a lot of really great things about micellar water. I've never tried it, so I am anxious to try this one. So I thought it was a really good box. I mean, you've got your Elemis and your micellar water, your Aromatherapy, your eye gel, your eye mask, your GLOV makeup remover, and then the Eyeko fat stick. Oh, this is awesome. What did you guys think about this box? Let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does mean the world to me if you like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys, have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.